Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when you have a stable internet connection, but you cannot use any network related apps like a browser or app gallery for Huawei Nova 11i. And let's start with app gallery. So right here, if we try to install any app, for example this game, we hit the install button and it changes into the download, but it stops immediately and we need to resume it, and it keeps going like this. The same is with a browser, so if we try to reach any website, there's this error instead. And to fix both of these issues, we'll need to open our settings, then scroll all the way down and select System and Updates. Go for date and time and enable to set time automatically. If you go back to your app gallery and try to install this game, it should begin the download, and the same is with browser. So we can try to reach any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.